Okay, so today let's talk about type of keys, right? So what is a key? Key is basically your attributes or set attribute or a set of attribute that can define or that can distinguish entities from each other. What is the key? Listen carefully. What is a key? Key is a set of attributes, a single attribute or a set of attribute that can differentiate entities from each other. That is a key. What is a super key? Super key is a attribute or a set of attribute that can define entity uniquely. That is, define entity uniquely. Okay, there can be many super keys. Super keys. Okay, so the set of attributes which defines entity uniquely is known as super key. There can be many super keys. So this is a super key. What is a candidate key? The minimum number of super keys that are that can uniquely define the whole entity is known as candidate key. What is a candidate key? The minimum number of super keys. Minimal number of super keys is known as your candidate key. Okay, so super key went and candidate key is the minimal number of super keys. What is a primary key? From this candidate key, a key is chosen by the DBA, database administrator. This is a personal or a group of personals. Okay, all right. So the key chosen by the DBA from the candidate key is known as primary key. Okay, what is alternate key? The key from the candidate key, the keys which are not chosen by the DBA from the candidate key is known as the alternate key. That is, candidate key minus primary key is your alternate keys. Suppose there were 4 candidate keys. Okay, a primary key is 1, so the rest 3 keys are your alternate keys. That is, 3 are your alternate keys. All right. The keys that are chosen, that are not chosen by the DBA from the candidate key are known as your alternate keys. Okay, or the keys except the primary key in the candidate key is known as the alternate keys. Okay, foreign key. I have already explained to you what foreign key is, but still let's see. Suppose there are 2 tables: roll number, name, class, section. Roll number, subject, interest. All right, this roll number is your primary key. This table is referencing this table. There is a relation between these two. All right, so what is a foreign key? When a key attribute or when a key attribute referenced another table's primary key attribute, then key attribute becomes a foreign key. Listen again carefully. When an attribute refers from another table's primary key attribute, then that attribute becomes a foreign key. Okay, this one is reacting as a foreign key, and the foreign key and the primary key of the 2 table must have the same value. That is, if the roll number is there 1 2, these also should have the roll number 1 2. All right, so to summarize this one, what is a super key? Super key what is a key? Key are the attribute or group of attribute that can distinguish entities. What is a super key? Super keys are the keys that can distinguish entity uniquely. What is a candidate key? Candidate key is the minimal number of super keys that are required to distinguish that entity. What is a primary key? Primary key is the key that is chosen by the DBA from the candidate key. Okay, or the suitable key that is chosen by the DBA. What is alternate key? The key that is not chosen by the DBA from the candidate key is known as the alternate key. That is 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, what is foreign key? Foreign key is the key that refers or that refer from the primary key of another table. These two tables are in relationship. All right, so it is referring from this table, so these two must have the same value. These two attributes must have the same value. So these are your super key, candidate key, primary key, alternate key, and foreign key. Hope you guys understood, because these will be needed. All right, these will be needed. I should have done this long before starting this whole lecture thing, but I thought you guys already know, but still I thought of giving you guys this one. All right, so hope you guys understood the concept of keys, and this is the basic of keys. in exam they won't ask you the type of keys, and if they did, then it is a free marks for you, right? The 5 marks are very easy like this, all right? But this is good to know about this case, because they will occur in your future classes and all that, all right, in your future understanding. So yeah, hope you guys understood it. If you did, then great. See you guys in the next video.